Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by stabilizing the scene and gathering tools. Gloves, magnifier, powder, tape, backing card keep the area shadow-free. Lightly dust the area with small circular motions and only 1/4 to 1/2 pressure so you don't obliterate ridge detail. Once you see ridge contrast, lift the print with clear tape onto a labeled backing card, pressing from one edge to avoid bubbles. Make sure to note surface type and orientation immediately, because context guides the next identification steps. Once the lifted print is stable, you inspect ridge flow with a 10x magnifier, locating cores, deltas, and bifurcations. These are the anchors of pattern ID. Then classify the overall pattern, loop, whorl, arch, or composite, because classification narrows candidate matches dramatically. You should measure interminutia distances and count ridge units between key points for a quantitative overlay. Make sure to rotate the image to the natural orientation. Consistent orientation prevents false mismatch and simplifies comparison across prints. You now compare the evidence print to known exemplars by overlaying and aligning primary minutiae, core, delta, and key bifurcations, seeking 8 to 12-point correspondences when possible. Apply contrast enhancement or scale correction to account for distortion, and record chain of custody and method details for reproducibility. Conclude by documenting match strength and any uncertainties. If prints are smudged, try alternate lighting angles and digital deblurring. If that fails, collect additional.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.